Hey, it's Jeff. Got one more for today. I'm trying to get caught up on a bunch of client stuff and cleaning out some of my stuff that is not getting used and needs to get some love from somebody else. And what I've got is for Amiga 500s, I've got two RocTec RocTec. They are model RH800Cs. I've got two of these power supplies. I just got done working over the insides of these things. One of them comes with 2 meg. I've got 2 meg sims in it. This one's still torn apart. I'll obviously put it together before I throw it up. I'm going to throw these both up. You know, you can hit me up at RetroRanger.com or hit up the Retro Ranger store on eBay, whatever you kind of prefer. All tested out, working great. I had a blue SCSI in both of them, and I was testing out the hard drives, and then I misplaced it in my crud. But anyways, I wanted to just get this done so I can get these out of my way. So anyways, 2 power supplies that they'll come with, or 1 power supply for each. 1, no memory. 1 will have the 2 meg. As you can see here, it shows up 2 meg chip, 2 meg fast. I can run a little test here, and you'll notice there'll be no errors. They're both appear to be a V2.0 on the BIOS chips in these things. Both exactly the same model. Like I say, the only difference is one's got 2 meg, one doesn't. The great little devices. They look very nice next to, you know, the 500s. They slot right in there, and I need a little cleanup on this one, but you know, slot right in. Nice form factor, matches better than the original Commodore one, as we know. Kind of the similar form size as the GVPs, which I need to work on a couple of those as well too, because I got a pile of those sitting around. But I need to check them out. So anyways, no accelerators in these ones, neither on my GVPs though. But you know, you can go up to 8 meg of RAM in each of these, and you know, a Zulu SCSI, Blue SCSI. If you're really daring, you can go with a mechanical hard drive on it. If you notice, we're on round 2.1. All good on the memory on that one. So anyways, I just wanted to kind of do a quickly little one before I kind of put these all together and throw them up on the store. So if you got any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. Sales@RetroRanger.com. My WhatsApp and other contact info is on the website, so feel free to hit me up there as well. And with that, we're out of here. Have a great day. Bye all.